Did you know that Quinta Lago is one of the few places in Europe where you can go from the fairway to the nature reserve to the beach all within minutes? I'm Sam from Mapro Frank, and today we're in San Lorenzo North, one of the newest developments in Quinta Lago, inspired by nature and a lifestyle destination like no other. This beautiful home blends sleek design with that unmistakable Quinta luxury. And homes like this don't come around often. At the heart of the home, a striking circular staircase sets the tone for the bold yet elegant craftsmanship throughout. With 6 ensuite bedrooms, open plan interior, outdoor living area and a roof terrace, it's the entertainer's dream. The main living space flows effortlessly from a sophisticated Lago kitchen, complete with an adjacent prep area to a statement wine cellar and bespoke bar. And to relax and unwind, you have the spa, gym and games room with bar. And the views up here from the San Lorenzo golf course are just spectacular. Quinta Lago isn't a place you pass through, it's a place you fall in love with. If you want more details on this property, please check out our website with reference 4170. Thank you for watching.